Yeah, no, just kind of introducing the topic. A couple weeks ago, we were talking about how there's not a lot of inventory. And right now, when the inventory pops up and it's really nice, it typically flies off the market. So a lot of buyers are stuck looking at stuff that's not that updated, but then they're thinking to themselves, what the hell do I do once I'm buying this home that needs a new kitchen, needs new floors? So, when you're looking at properties like that, what are you looking for as far as valuation?
So I first started noticing that this was going to be something that would become more and more prevalent when we started taking buyers out and we're seeing so many multiple offers. And just so long as a condo or a home was pretty well updated, it seemed that they were just fielding offers left and right versus the place down the street that just needed maybe to have the cabinets painted or a new backsplash or something. It would be sitting for a little bit longer. So I started having conversations with my clients about okay, well, you could go in and try to win this bidding war, or why don't we take a look at this property down the street and try to price out some options with you, get some contractors over there and let's see what we're looking at. And it's really not as expensive as people think. I remember in our very first place when we slowly started changing things, to put backsplash in, all in it was $500 to change. And that changes the whole face of a kitchen, right?
Right.
You don't need to change all the cabinets out. You can just do the doors.
Even hardware, I sometimes, you see just the hardware is kind of old looking. Changing out the hardware is simple.
Right. But then, sorry, I got sidetracked. To get back to your question about how do you identify value? I think there's a couple of different ways, right? You find the worst house on the block in a great location, or in some cases, for example, my husband and I just bought a 3-bedroom. It was the least expensive 3-bedroom, and it was a total POS. But it had 3 bedrooms. It's a lot of potential. Space is something that you can't modify, right? So you just need that to work with. So you go with those things that have something that you can't change and figure out what you can.
Location and size matter so much. You can change a kitchen, you can change bathrooms, you can change flooring. All that stuff over time you can change, but you're right. Size, you guys looked, you wanted a 3-bedroom, it was big, and you're like, okay, now I can start doing things step by step by step, which I think is really, really important.